Oh shoot.
I might need a pedal.
You good?
I'm good. The bike's pedal is dented.
Yeah, that's fine. Man, that was close. I'm glad that you didn't fly off then. You're one hell of a rider.
Apparently not.
I'll tell you.
2 near slips up in one day? That's a record for me. Is this replaceable?
Oh, that was already broken.
Oh, it was already broken?
Yeah, I mean.
This is what I'm worried about. This is okay there, right?
Oh, no, that's fine. Good as new. Yeah, man, I'm telling you.
That was close, dude.
They're great.
I slipped on something.
Alright, here, let me
But
see it.
bike's working though, right?
What?
Bike is working though, right?
Yeah, it's fine, man.
Okay. As long as the bike's good, I'm good.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, you lead the way.